Hi everyone. Today we are going to combine like terms. We've done this before earlier in the year. We're going to bring it back up because this is going to be one of the first things you see in algebra next year. So if they both look the same, like 5 plus 6 equals 11, okay? They're both numbers. So you can add them together just like what you've been taught your entire life. Now, if you come over here, if there was a variable with it, a letter with it, then you cannot combine them, okay? That would be your answer. Okay, all we're doing is simplifying it down. So if you see this, 4x and plus 6x, you can combine those together. Your answer or your simplified version would be 10x. Okay, they both have the same variable. They both have an x. Same thing here if it has an f and a g. Okay, it doesn't matter if the g comes first or the f. They're both exactly the same because they both have the same letters, the same variables. So you could then add them together. Now, you might see this and you might not for a little bit, but if one has a squared, an exponent of a 2, you can only add or subtract with an exponent of 2, okay? Now, 3 minus 2 gives you 1. That goes into my next. If there is no number in front of it, it is considered to be a 1, so there would be 1g squared, all right? Now, some of these that are not like terms, I cannot add together 4x plus 6y. They have different letters. They cannot be added together, so you leave them alone. Same thing here. If one just has a g and the other has a gf or an fg, okay, you cannot add them together because it's missing. All right, and then again, different exponents, you can't add them together, okay? So let's look at these examples. So if I have 10a, okay, when we were in class, I had you underline the like variables, the ones that look the same. Remember, that sign in front of the 2a goes with the 2a. So 10a minus 2a, and you would get 8a. And then bring down your plus 18. Okay, because you can't do anything with the 18. The 18 does not have an a. You can't add it with anything else. So on this one, you have G's and M's. So you have a G here and here, and you have an M. I'm kind of cutting it off, but you have an M's. So 2G plus 5G is 7G. 2M minus M gives you plus 1M. You can leave it like this, or you can just write the M by itself. Okay. Number 3, you have P's and you have regular numbers. So 5p minus 4p would give you p as an answer, or 1p. You can put a 1 there. 3 minus 7 would give you 4. All right, we're just again combining what ones look the same. So these have m's. So I'll underline my m's, maybe circle my n's. And then I'm going to leave that 37 alone. So 12 plus 4 gives me 16. 13n minus 9n gives me a 4. So there's, I'm going to put a plus 4n. And I'm going to bring down my 37. Okay, not too bad. Let's look up here and scroll a little bit. And get back to my mouse. All right, so let's look at number 9 and 10 where they actually have an exponent. You will have one or two like that. So we have b squared plus b squareds. Okay, they're totally different than the 5b and the plus 5. So 3 plus 17 would give me 20b squared. My plus 5b would come down, and my plus 5 would come down. That would be my answer for that one. Okay. On these, you see we have a squared and a cube. Okay, the only ones we can really add together are these two. And so we could rewrite everything, but we want to add together 14 and n and 3n. I hope this is helpful. Bye.